about to blow.
We're saving some of the people who aren't able to evacuate Valdosta today, so we're providing them with A1 gallons of water.
I don't think all 8 gallons are gonna fit into this cooler.
It's a big cooler, Kaylee.
Okay, well I'm already running out of room. I got 3.
They can stack on top of each other.
I don't think it's gonna work.
I don't want to put my feet on this.
I only got 6 gallons. I don't know if we can turn out 8.
You're the one that said 8.
No, you said 8.
On the video, you said 8. With A1 gallons of water. A1 gallons of water.
A1 gallon.
Why do we have frickin'... When did we get the crazy bread from frickin' Little Caesars? How old is that? Listen. Okay.
Did you say Holly?
I lost my keys. I lost my wallet. I don't know where they are. Here's the wallet. Lord knows where my keys are.
Eventually.
Did you find them?
Yeah.
These are yours. Okay, they're right here.
I can't lift it.
You can do this.
This is my left arm. Oh
I
god.
can't open the door because I have...
Oh. Oh. I don't like that. It's so windy
I
outside.
need a break.
Okay. See, this is how windy outside is. You can hardly see it on camera. It does not look windy. That's how windy it is.
Alright. It's my knuckles. Look at them.
Why do your knuckles look like that?
Because they keep knocking against the
Oh.
floor.
My insides, my hands hurt.
Alright, buck up.
As you're wearing a Buckeye shirt.
Literally. You can do this. Push through.
Why'd you park so far? Ow. You parked horribly. Let's see.
It's a hurricane. I don't have time to find correct.
She over the line.
I don't think that parking's important in the middle of a hurricane.
Hurricane. I'm supposed to get this out.
Help! I'm not taking it out of the car. If they want water, they can come get it themselves.
You're so nice.
Hold on, I feel very stuck.
Come on! Push! Push!
No.
We're good.
Ow. Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Are you not gonna say bye?